Now we're gonna move into our eye products.
Yes.
So the first eye product that we're gonna go to is gonna be the Emergency Eye Lift Serum. We can think of this as the Cinderella type serum because it's gonna provide immediate effects for the skin that's gonna last up to 6 to 8 hours. Paisley, do you use this one on yourself?
Oh my goodness, absolutely. So like Davi said, this is gonna plump up the skin and firm the skin, but you can also use this all over the face as a makeup primer. So, you know, we're both makeup girlies, and the results usually last about 4 to 6 hours.
Yeah, I love that. And then this is also like a hyaluronic acid based serum. So you're gonna get a lot of moisture. It's gonna help to like plump the skin, hydrate.
Keep it hydrated. It has a multiple weight of hyaluronic acid in there, so it's gonna penetrate the skin at many different layers.
Yeah, and I think it also has like other ingredients in there like pentacare, peptide. So you do get like that action around the eye area. And like you said, it's great for a makeup primer and it just gives you that immediate action, but I think it's like long-term acting as well. It's so good. Yeah, I mean, we were talking about makeup earlier. I try to definitely always use it. And I think I really notice a difference when I'm not using it as much because I'm always just wanting to have like that tightened full face there.
Absolutely.
How quickly do you usually feel like you notice a difference whenever you're utilizing it?
Pretty much like immediately. So after I apply this on my skin, let it sit in for like maybe a minute or two, I can instantly see that my skin has plumped up a little bit, and my skin is also very hydrated as well. You get like a nice little glow.
Yeah, and even in like the facial room, I feel like it gives like that wow effect like that clients come in for. So I feel like it's awesome in the like facial room as well, like for that immediate like firming action too.
You definitely need this in the back bar. It's in a lot of our protocols as well.
Nice.
So definitely pick up some Emergency Eye Lift Serum.
So our next eye product that we're gonna go over, this is gonna be the Full Circle Duo. So it comes in a day and a night formula, just going back to like our circadian rhythm concepts. So we have different actions that happen between day and night. So I love this because it really strategically targets what Circadia is all about.
So first we're gonna go over the daytime. So with the daytime, you definitely want to you can use this day and night, but it's more so used in the daytime. So it's going to really hydrate underneath the eyes, but it's also going to help out if you have crow's feet, fine lines and wrinkles, and also dark circles as well.
One of my favorite things about this product is that it actually has like an inhibitor for the muscle contraction.
Yes.
So if you're outside, you know, the sun's gonna be bright and, you know, if there's that squinting action that occurs, which contributes to the development of the crow's feet. So I love that.
Absolutely.
You know?
And to know the difference between the two, there's also a little sun in the little picture, the little square, and that's how you can differentiate whether if it's day or evening.
Yeah, that's really helpful for clients being able to follow their regimen, because if they're not able to follow their regimen, they're honestly not going to use the products. So that's extremely important. Other things that it's going to do, it's going to make sure that the capillaries and the blood is properly flowing, which, like you're saying, it's going to help with that blood flow in the region that's the #1 causes of that occurring. And then when it comes to the nighttime products, it's going to stimulate the fibroblast production. We also have a 0.01% of the retinol acetate. Yeah, so that helps with like crepiness that's there, making sure that we've got good collagen formation.
Yes, that cell turnover rate.
Yeah, absolutely. And depuffing the eye area with those under eye bags that everybody loves so much. So, I mean.
And what is that ingredient that does that in this product?
I think it's eyeless in there.
George, what is it?
You guys talking about like the matrixyl, or is it the eyeless?
Eyeless, the depuffing. I had it right.
So you can already see there's a lot of great ingredients inside both of these products, but you know, nighttime it's all about it being very reparative.
Absolutely. And then the two together, I mean, they work just so synergistically to make sure that it's a full circle, honestly. Not to be punny.